Welcome to the Destin Training Hub, your central hub to explore courses, tutorials, and create your own learning content. On the homepage, you'll find carefully curated content starting with most popular courses, where you can instantly access the training programs learners engage with the most. When you are logged in, you will see personalized recommendations displayed in the Recommended For You section and the page My Trainings to track your progress, all powered by your learning activity and interest. Just below, the section Everything About Destin Data gathers key courses designed to help you explore datasets, services, and Destin applications more efficiently. At any time, you can search for content thanks to the global search bar. Combine keywords with filters, and explore the complete catalog through View All to discover the full learning library. At the top of the page, the header gives you quick access to the most useful areas of a platform. Under My Trainings, you'll find 3 sections: In Progress trainings you've already started, bookmarked those you've saved for later, and completed, a record of your achievements. Next, the user guide provides structured support for every type of learner. From Get Started to Take Courses, from Create Learning Assets to our pedagogical guide, you'll also find support and resources, an extensive FAQ, and release notes to stay updated with new features. Now, let us move to the Training Studio, our creation space for authors and contributors. Here, you can choose to create either a course, a structured training program with chapters and quizzes, or a tutorial, which is a shorter, more targeted learning asset. Let us create a course together. We start by entering the course details. Let us move on to the course objectives, where we define what learners should achieve and select the appropriate difficulty level. Now that the objectives have been defined, we will provide the necessary prerequisites before taking the course. Great! With the course steps done, we can now fine-tune the course by defining its estimated duration and adding an illustration. Let us move on and create our first chapter, link it to the selected objectives, and start drafting the content. Let us continue by adding a new section, where we can insert rich text and include videos or files from a local source or an external link. We will now add at least 3 chapters and include different types of content in each one. To do so, we'll use the Training Studio's toolbox to apply various text styles, headings, code blocks, and more. With all chapters completed, we're almost ready to submit the course for moderation. But before that, we can enrich the learning experience by adding a quiz to assess the learner's understanding. We'll start by adding a title to the quiz. We can now proceed by entering a title for our question. A clear title helps learners understand what the assessment will focus on. Let us begin with a simple question offering 2 answer options. We'll select a correct one to validate the question. You may also add complementary details to highlight why this answer is correct and ensure learners fully understand the message. Now that our quiz is set up, let us preview the course and check how everything displays. This is the moment to ensure the content is clear, correctly structured, and that nothing has been overlooked. In this example, the course itself is just a shell, but it is already ready for submission. The quiz also behaves correctly when an incorrect answer is selected. We have made it to the final stage. The course is now ready to be submitted for approval and published on the Training Hub catalog. Once the publication request has been sent to the moderation team, we must wait for the full course review to be completed. This review may take a while before the course becomes visible in the Training Hub catalog. If something is missing or does not meet the guidelines, the moderation team will return the course to the author with instructions on what needs to be updated. After applying the required modifications, the course can then be submitted again for publication. Here we are, our course has been approved and is now part of the catalog. From the homepage, let us browse the available courses and use the navigation arrows to locate the one we just created. Here it is. Let us start the course as a learner and go through each chapter one by one. Before we start the first chapter, the course invites the learner to complete a self-positioning step. This allows the user to indicate whether they feel ready to take the chapter and, if needed, relevant prerequisites may be suggested to help them follow the course more effectively. Once this is done, we can begin the course as a learner and progress through each chapter until we reach the final assessment. Here we go! You made it! Before you finish, feel free to leave feedback. It helps the author enhance the course for everyone who will follow after you. If you ever need to make changes, simply return to the training studio to edit your course. You will find your drafted courses listed there and can adjust the content as needed before resubmitting it.